Hi, my name is Mr. Rand, and I am a first year at UNK. I am an elementary ed major. I am really excited to be at UNK. It really is just a fit for me. I transferred from CCC in Grand Island where I got my associates, and I also went to Hastings College while at CCC. I have a family of 6 that includes my parents, my brother, my sister, and my brother-in-law. My sister and my brother-in-law live in Tucson, Arizona. I am from and live in Grand Island. I always just loved living here, just having the feeling of just a kind of a small / bigger town. I graduated from Northwest in 2014. I love to travel, go camping, and hang out with my family and friends. I've always wanted to teach and love kids, and having a classroom of my own, I played teacher as a little kid with some of my friends. Really looking forward to this class.